Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing, but let's be real, I've already opened it. I've already seen it because I actually went to the store. Funny story, so Mother's Day, I had no idea what hubby was going to get me for Mother's Day, and I would have been happy with just flowers, a card, you know. But I was in here doing my makeup for the day, and he had actually taken the littles with him to go get me flowers, and then he comes in with a handmade card, and I will insert that clip right here.
All right, everybody. Right now, Michelle's gonna pick what she's gonna get for Mother's Day. You have option number 1 or option number 2.
Number 2.
You want number 2?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
I don't know.
Yeah?
Zoe, tell me which one I want.
Number 2?
Number 2.
Damn, I lost.
So I hope you enjoyed that. After getting ready, we went to the Louis Vuitton store. We stood in line about 20 minutes because the line was wrapped around the store, obviously because it was Mother's Day. But I wanted to show you guys this purse that we ended up picking, and I'm actually talking to a CA because I'm not sure if I'm gonna end up keeping it. Not because I don't love it, because I do, but just because it's such a light handbag that with my lifestyle and having kids and dogs, and it's just, I feel like it's not gonna be an everyday functional bag, because this is a limited edition from By the Pool collection, and I love it so much, you guys. And yesterday I was still using my GM, and he's like, why aren't you using your new purse? I'm like, because I'm scared. I'm scared that I'm gonna get it dirty. So anyway, let's get into the unboxing because the girls are here, and Zoe has another Zoom at 9:50. So this is the huge bag that it comes in, and the big box. I already took the ribbon off. You obviously, if you've seen unboxings, you know Louis Vuitton puts the ribbon around the box. Here is the envelope, and I have the receipt, and I will put the I don't think it's online anymore, but I will link it in case you're interested in getting it, if you can find it. I know a lot of stores are sold out. It just so happened that when we walked in, I don't know if this was a return from someone else or if they just had it in stock at the store here in Texas. But anywho, let's get on with the unboxing. So the box is huge as well, and it's got this magnetic flap right here. You can hear it. So let's take it out of its bag. I don't want to get it dirty because I don't know if I'm keeping it. All right, so let me put something down because, like I said, they're pretty strict about taking handbags back. All right, so this is the dust bag. Just says Louis Vuitton. Guys, I love it so much, but honestly, I'm so scared that I'm gonna get it dirty. So like I said, this is the Louis Vuitton By the Pool limited edition Speedy 25, and I believe the shade is Mist. With the newer bags, there is not a stamp, a date stamp inside the bags, because I think with the newer bags that they're coming out with, they're gonna microchip it. So in this bag, somewhere in this bag, there's a microchip with the date code, I guess. I don't know how it all works, but that's there's no code in here. First off, this is the bag. Like I said, I don't want to get it dirty because I'm so scared that I won't be able to return it if I decide not to keep it and get something else. Because I do, like I said, I am talking to a CA of 2 handbags that I want to look at to exchange it, but they didn't have it in store, so she's trying to find them for me. But this is her. This one's not the one with the pink and yellow. This is more neutral, which I really liked it better. You can see right there, it's kind of like a peachy color goes up to a more neutral. And it does come with 2 charms, leather charms right here on the side, as you can see. Super cute, really not my vibe, but I think it adds something to the bag. The bottom, as you can see, it's more on the peachy tone, and it's got the bigger monogram on it. Whereas the sides, hold on, I don't want to touch the lightness of it. I'm telling you, I'm paranoid. So I got a paper towel. So the sides of it, as you can see, has the smaller LV, and the back and front have the larger LV on it. It does have a lot of the, what do you call it? The vachetta, which is the leather all around, all on the sides. The handles are pretty light as well. The sides right here are a little poofier. And then on one side it does say made in Paris, France, as you can see there. And it's not on this side. Also, it does have the hardware, the double-sided zippers, as you can see right there. And the zipper's really functional. I don't find it hard at all. Inside the bag, it does come with the key and lock, because obviously when you zip it up, you can lock your purse. I probably, if I end up keeping this bag, I probably won't even use the lock. But here's the little pouch, and it's got the key and lock, and it's super shiny. So that's really cute. This is the Speedy 25 bandolier, which means that it comes with a crossbody strap, and that is also light as well. Like, it's really super light. And so, like I said, I'm really scared to touch it. I am so paranoid, because this purse is just so light. I'm holding it by the hardware. But as you can see right here, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes, so you can adjust the length and wear it comfortable. I have tried it on with what it was already on, which is the last one, and it fits really nice. It fits, you know, this is what I wanted. I wanted an everyday functional bag, hands-free. But at the same time, since this is the summer collection, I don't feel like this is going to be an all year round bag. And that's what I really wanted. I wanted a smaller all year round bag, but then when we saw this one, we both fell in love with it, and he's like, just get it. And I did, like, contemplating if I'm going to keep it or not, because it's so much lightness. And the lady did tell me that you can't really wear like jeans or dark colored clothing, because it's going to stain the bag. So right there, I was kind of like, it's hot in here, you guys. I'm sweating, these lights. So right there, I was kind of like, maybe I made a mistake getting this one. So anyway, the hardware is really nice and shiny gold. And then the inside of the bag, put this in here. The inside of the bag is kind of like a very neutral, I'm gonna say like a neutral, I can't even tell the color really. Here's the little, what do you call it? Textile card. And you know what? I didn't get, you know, the little thing with the scan code on it. You know what I'm talking about? I don't know what the, like the UPC, it's not in here. So I don't know what happened to that. But the zipper also is not a pouch in this bag. It's actually secure to the bag. So this is how it looks on the inside. It doesn't flip up or anything. It's actually inside. It's connected. And this is the inside of the bag. It's like a super muted, I can't even tell. It's just very light. So all in all, this bag is beautiful. I love it. But is it going to be functional for me? Most likely not. Am I going to be scared to use it on a daily basis? Absolutely. So, like I said, I will keep you guys posted if I do end up keeping the bag. And if I end up exchanging it, if they find the one that I want, I'll let you guys know as well. But tell me what you guys would do. It's such a pretty bag and I want to wear it so bad, but it's very, 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 very light. Let me grab it by the paper towel. So here it is again. Super pretty. Yeah. So there you go, you guys. That was my Mother's Day gift. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment down below. Tell me what you think, and I will see you guys in the next one.